I am planning my next vacation on a tour of Europe. I am planning to go in March 2022, in approximately 2 years, when there isn't risk for the pandemic. I am going to go with my wife from Bogota, El Dorado Airport, and land in Paris as the first country to meet. I am going to get to know the Eiffel Tower because it seems and attractive for his great height and design. I will know a little about their culture, their language, their custom. Then I am going to know some of their neighboring countries, such as Spain. There I am going to know the study of Real Madrid and the famous Hand of Madrid. The next country will be Italy, and there I will be able to visit the Tower of Pisa, and here we will eat the famous no spaghetti. Our next stop going to be Greece, and here great handmade sculptures, and here will be have the opportunity to go to the richest city in the world, the Vatican, and meet her beautiful paintings on the Renaissance. My penultimate stop will be Rome, and here can hear unity of to my life with the temples where the perform the famous war on the Romans and Spartan, and our family stop will be Amsterdam, where we find it an incomparable culture and customs. This trip will last approximately 22 days in the company of my wife.